Where are you coming from so late?
Hey man, a little late on the way.
Wait, I'm still here.
You are very late. Come on time, please.
Don't be angry. I will come on time.
Okay.
What are you doing now?
Hi everyone, one up doing good job.
You pick up dirt from the next mound and take one of them.
Okay, let's go.
Come on. Okay, I'll go with you.
La 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 la.
Oh hey, what happened? Let's help quickly.
Be careful, man.
Okay. Yippee!
Thank you very much for pulling me out of the mud.
What are you doing? You please be careful. What are you doing? Slowly move the soil to the side. Thank you very much for pulling me out of the furnace.